Controversial cultural commentator Ngizwe Mchunu has suffered a legal setback after the Pretoria High Court ruled in favor of the Economic Freedom Fighters leader Julius Malema in the defamation case linked to allegations circulated on social media. The dispute stems from statements Mchunu made during a viral online interview in which he accused Malema of receiving protection and financial support from alleged drug dealers and of using political influence to shield foreign nationals allegedly involved in criminal activity. He also leveled claims of corruption and dishonesty against the EFF leader. Malema's legal team argued that the remarks were false, damaging, and intentionally designed to harm his reputation, particularly in the lead up to local government elections. Despite receiving a 24-hour ultimatum to retract the allegations, Mchunu refused and publicly insisted he was unafraid of Malema, prompting legal action. The matter proceeded to the Pretoria High Court on Tuesday, where Mchunu appeared without legal representation. During proceedings, he attempted to defend himself, arguing that Malema has also defamed others and therefore should not be allowed to sue him for defamation. Mchunu further told the court that he was unemployed and could not afford legal counsel. However, the court found that he failed to properly engage with the central question before it, why the interim relief sought by Malema should not be made final, and did not present sufficient evidence or legal argument in opposition. The court ultimately ruled in favor of Malema, granting the relief sought. Following the ruling, courtroom confusion briefly erupted when Mchunu questioned whether the order had originated from the judge or from Malema's legal team. It was clarified that the draft order had been prepared by Malema's lawyers but only became binding once adopted by the court. In an emotional outburst, Mchunu referred to the legal representatives as lezinja, meaning these dogs. The final order compels Mchunu to retract his statements publicly and publish a video apology directed at Malema. He is also required to send the apology to TikTok, personally King Zoso, whose platform featured the original video clip. Mchunu has additionally been ordered to pay legal costs. Unless he lodges an appeal, the judgment brings the matter to a close. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.